Mascara?
Yes, I am. God. You can be more specific, even though you just were.
Where's Dawson and Kendall?
I don't know.
If you had to guess where they were, where would you say?
Grandma's.
And Mother? Is that weird?
Yep.
Do you miss Mother?
Yep. Mascaras are not makeup. Well, yeah, it is. But
Do you miss Kendall?
heck no.
Do you miss Daw?
No.
Do you miss Granny?
Kind of.
Do you miss Gima?
Sure. Well, not really.
Are
She
you,
lives right across from
are you
me.
videotaping yourself?
Maybe.
Are you? Why?
Because I have a YouTube channel.
So you're gonna put this on your YouTube?
Yeah. Because it's funny. Bro! I can't get this freaking eyelash to look good. Father, can I do your skincare?
No,
Why?
because I don't do that stuff.
But your skin's really dry. I have moisturizer.
No. My skin's fine.
It's to moisturize your skin!
It's fine.
Oh my god, bro. Help me. I give up. Where's Polly? I haven't checked on her all day. We haven't talked about that. Can you leave now? Oh, there she is. You can leave now.
Sorry, I'm taking a nap in your bed.
I just ripped out 2 eyelashes. Why? Where's my banana? Oh, I got it.